French, like most cultures, vary their flavours by the season. This may not have a huge influence in our modern world, where most herbs and spices are available all year round, but traditional seasonal dishes are still flavoured by the season's produce. Common in many dishes are the staple European herbs that flavour food throughout the world. There are 4 herbs that are considered the mainstay of French flavours. These are known as fung herbe and consist of parsley, chives, tarragon and chervil. Fennel is famous for its aniseed flavour and is used from seed or sometimes bulb. The French embraced fennel in the late 19th century, partly due to the popular drink of the time, absinthe, which is flavoured with the aromatic herb. A herb often used in the preparation of white meats and vegetable dishes in France is sage. And finally, herbs are used in unique ways in France. For example, the bouquet garni, which is a bouquet of different herbs wrapped and tied and added to broths, stews and soup to infuse flavour, and of course, herbe de Provence or provincial herbs, which is a mixture of dried herbs, usually dominated by thyme, that is often used on grilled meats and added to vegetables and stews. The variation of vegetables in the cuisine of France is generally fairly limited, and are vegetables available to most people looking to recreate famous French dishes at home. Of course, carrots are the mainstay of the French dining experience. Both adult and baby carrots are used, and the French are famous for their glazed carrots. Although originating in Peru, the potato has become popular in France, but not until the early 1800s. It is thought to have been introduced to the region by Spanish sailors and soon replaced the turnip as the main root vegetable due to its easy cultivation. The turnip still has its place in the local cuisine though, as it is much more flavoursome. Leeks are popular in France and prized for their onion and cucumber-like taste. The white base is more often valued, but the green leaves are often used to wrap the bouquet garni. The familiar purple aubergine or eggplant features in the food of the region, as does zucchini. Mushrooms also play a vital role in French cuisine. Considered the home of modern desserts, France is rich with tasty sweet dishes that have evolved over hundreds of years of food appreciation. French desserts are popular with home cooks, as anyone can try their hand at the multitude of dishes, and the ingredients are readily available. Eggs are very important in French desserts and cakes and are the key ingredient in dishes like crème caramel, mousse, custard and eclairs. Of course, French cooking just wouldn't be possible without butter. Butter is used in most dishes, but especially desserts. The French are also fond of adding fruit to their dessert creations in all manner of styles. And where would desserts be without sugar? Sugar is a part of nearly every dessert in the French food vernacular. And here are a few classics to inspire your cooking at home. Macaroons are a French classic and are often presented in several flavours. Of course, when you think French desserts, eclairs always pop to mind. Eclairs are also flavoured differently, but the chocolate variety is by far the most recognisable. The French probably have more desserts in their food culture than any other. They have perfected the art of flans, tarts and chocolates,